US-na Nigeria-da leiba ISIS-ki mathakta attack chathakre. Awang numchuk thangba Nigeria-da leiba Islamic State of Iraq and Syria ISIS-ki camp-singda nongthaktagi attack chathakre haina US President Donald Trump na phongdorakre. Social media-da thagalakpa warol amada mahakna haiki mara lejadaba Christian michamsinggi mathakta tamthina ot naiba hatpa tupagi thawom kya chatharakpadagi ISIS-ki mathakta akhanana attack chathakibani hairi. Hairiba Christian singda attack tawba toknaba ISIS-ta mangjongna khangankhrabasu makhatana mara lejadaba Christian sing hatpagi thawom chatharakpadagi tangai phadana terrorist singgi mathakta nongthaktagi attack chathakibani hairi. US ki Department of War na terrorist singi maru oiba mafam singda nongthaktagi leptane attack chathaki. Malemgi leimaidagi Islamic terrorism mapung phana muthatnabagi pandamda US na thorang kaya lakhalakki gani hairi.